Jennifer, thank you. Got an interesting competition in town to tell you about, the Association for Healthcare Foodservice. It's their inaugural culinary competition, 5 teams, and therein lies our tale with the 2 chefs that we've got here. Todd Daigneault, and I will never spell that because that's Canadian, but just know, you got to know how to pronounce it. He is from, wait, I found it. Oh, Overlook Hospital in Summit, New Jersey. He's the executive chef there. Justin Klobuchar is the chef at St. Mary and Elizabeth Medical Center in Chicago, Illinois. The first thing we'll tell you about, and I'll let them explain it, these are nonprofit hospitals. So
right.
They're, and this is, you're just independent hospitals, and now you're trying to get the word out about what can be done culinary-wise, right?
Right. Well, what happens is because we're well, we call it a self-op. We take all our allocation of funds and we keep it within our community. Most hospitals are nonprofit, and what happens is if you have an outside food source that comes in that's an outsource, they're a for-profit agency.
Got it.
So what we can do is, as our self-op, we can keep our dollars and cents that the government reimburses us for our patients, keep it in the hospital. That results in the better Prescani, better food for the patient. Better food for the patient is more nutritious for the patient. They heal better. The stays in the hospital come down to 1 or 2 days as opposed to 3 days, 4 days, and everybody's happy.
So we're exploding the myth of bad hospital food, huh, Todd?
That's what I like about that is when I do my menus, I don't have to worry about corporate recipes. I can kind of just do whatever I want, whatever I want to give to the patients or the customers.
Are they
it's all my choice.
Big hospitals we're talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good-sized institution.
Sure. The hospital in the Atlantic Healthcare that I represent, we have 3 hospitals. We manage the New York Jets training camp as Atlantic Healthcare.
You guys are busy. In Chicago, that can't be no small feat for you guys.
No, we have 2 hospitals, around 400 beds we take care of, and a lot more around the area.
All right, let's talk about what we're doing here. Todd, we're going to let you go. Or no, Justin, you want to go first?
Sure, why not?
Waji chicken and potato, is it dosa mango relish?
Dosa, yeah.
Dosa mango relish with coconut. Okay, what are we doing here?
Well, this is basically mango relish with mango pickle, which I have here. It's a spicy mango mix. Then we have potato, chicken, and bacon wrapped in a rice pancake with fried cilantro and a black tea. It's kind of spicy, but the mango and the black tea kind of calm down the spiciness. Did you invent this? Yes, I did.
Okay.
What I'm going to make for you guys right now is coconut chutney.
Okay.
Okay. It's just flake coconut.
Yep.
And Thai green chilies.
Okay.
Put the rest of that in there.
I don't know, those look pretty spicy to me.
Oh, they are, yes. But you can add a little bit of, about a teaspoon of sugar if you want to cut down on the spiciness.
And we should mention this whole competition is sponsored by Tyson. Thus, we've got a lot of chicken in here, by the way.
Right. Tyson chicken, Tyson bacon, all good stuff.
All right, go.
And you just buzz it up.
That's a pretty handy little gadget. I need one of those things.
Yes, you do. All right, there's a couple buzzes right there.
Yeah.
And I have some right here already made.
Yeah.
Just put a couple dollops on each side of the plate.
Voila!
Right. The guy who taught me how to make this actually told me it was Indian ketchup. They use it so much. So yes.
I like it.
There you go.
All right, Todd, you're up on this one.
All right. Well,
tropical chicken roulade.
What we have is tropical chicken roulade. It's pretty simple. It's something the ladies can make in a hot Austin day, 98 degrees.
No kidding.
I got to say, it's Austin, you're a friendly city. We love you here.
Oh, good.
But anyways, we take the chicken, we pound it out. I make a avocado bacon, smoked bacon from Tyson. We render that down, make it nice and crispy, put a little lime juice in it, roll the chicken, put it in panko breadcrumbs with coconut and a little jerk seasoning on top of a yucca root. And what I like to do is the salsa that accompanies it.
Okay, we got to do it quick.
All right. Okay. We're working on the salsa. So we have our mango, our papaya, some jalapeno, some fresh cilantro.
You guys are going for the
some
spice
red
here
onion.
with these peppers.
Oh, yeah. Of course, you got to have a little salt and kosher salt and white pepper, to little cumin to kick it up here.
Yeah.
And then this is the key. This is Asian apple pear.
Okay.
And actually, the Asian apple pear is real cool because of the fact that it's like an apple and it has to ripen on a tree, where other pears that are bulbous, they have to be taken off the tree, and what they have to do is go in hothouses to ripen.
Gotcha.
So
and that goes in?
Yeah, that goes in.
Then?
We'll put this aside. We'll take a little bit of honey to give it a little flavor.
Okay.
Of course, all these ingredients are natural, so now when the patients have compromised immune systems.
Yeah, they definitely got dietary guidelines.
You know, they got dietary guidelines, and actually this falls into the ADA dietary guidelines.
And there you go.
Here's our salsa. Let me plate this up for you.
Quickly before I let you go, Todd, I'll let you tell us, how does this competition work?
Well, there were 5 healthcare food service chefs chosen nationwide, and I was one of the 5, and Justin was one of the 5.
How'd you get picked?
We sent in our recipes, and they just chose them out of all the.
How about that? Okay.
Yeah, and our directors.
Well, that was
too.
pretty simple.
That was it. What did that take? A minute? Not even a minute, right?
Your brother would even eat that, the hockey player.
No, my brother's not a hockey player. He's in the
for the
service.
Jersey.
He's in Iraq.
Oh.
And I gotta say, thanks to all the guys in the military, this can't be done without them. So thank you guys.
When does the competition happen?
It's tonight, actually, 7 o'clock.
Just one shot deal and that's it?
Yep. At the Hilton Austin. Yep.
Okay. Can the public come see you?
No, actually, it's a closed event. But yeah, I know.
They probably want to eat all those.
We can sneak you in the back door if you want.
Thank you. I might do that.
I just wanted to mention, since I'm from
need
Chicago,
somebody to do
to go
dishes.
Blackhawks. Okay. Chicago Blackhawks.
I thought the Jersey Devils or something. You told me, I thought you said your brother was playing hockey for the
The Coyotes, right?
The Coyotes.
I got a cousin that plays for the Coyotes.
Cousin, that was it.
That's it.
I knew there was hockey in there somewhere.
Well,
Gentlemen,
Devils are a great hockey team, and Devils,
not
keep
as
it
good as the
going.
Blackhawks, all right?
No, that's
Better.
right. That's right.
Good. We'll have a duke out here in the competition for the food, too. Gentlemen, good to see you. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
You betcha.
Nice
Our
meeting you.
pleasure. Our pleasure. Glad to have you. A lot more straight ahead, so don't go away.